Hello everyone, in this today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to group rows in Google Sheet. First, select the rows you want to group. To do this, click on the row numbers on the left side of the sheet. For example, click and drag to select rows 2 to 5. Once the rows are selected, right click on the selected rows number and choose group rows 2 to 5 or whatever the range of rows is. This will group them together. Click the minus button to collapse the rows, which hide the data. Click it again to expand the rows and source the data. If you no longer need the group, you can ungroup them. Just right click on the group rows and select ungroup rows. The row will return to their normal and ungrouped state. You can group multiple sets of rows within the same set. Just repeat the process for different set of rows, and each group will be independently collapsible and expandable. And that's how you group rows in Google Sheet. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Google Sheets tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions.